In our considered view, it is for the appropriate authority, namely the Education Board and the academicians to academicians and the administrative authorities to take into consideration all factors before fixing a date for the examination. It is submitted that there are totally 773 centers throughout the state of West Bengal, and only 5 centers are in Kolkata, and none of those 5 centers are in close proximity to the venue where the program is scheduled to be conducted on 24th December 2023. Thus, in the given facts and circumstances, the direction sought for in the writ petition cannot be granted. However, we observe that the authorities of the state government as well as the Kolkata police shall ensure that the students are not in any manner disrupted from reaching the 5 centers for taking the examination, which has been scheduled to be held on 24th December 2023 conducted by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education. In addition, the transport department shall also provide adequate transport facilities to the students upon production of their hall ticket, so that the students are not held up in the traffic jam.